prank number 2. Okay, you can't see me right now, I'm in the dark, but I'm just gonna do this stuff. Okay? And, so yeah. And, I'm just gonna start watching these videos with Sky Does Minecraft or, stuff like that. So, kind of helping you guys out so you know what that is. And Minecraft people, he's addicted to Minecraft. So, I'm a little bit, but still, we're gonna scare him, okay? Hey, Dad, how are you? How are you? I'm just gonna play Clash of Clans real quick, okay? Oh! My throat hurts. I'll be in the back. I'm gonna go take a drink of water, okay? Don't you wanna like? Here, wait. Can I see? Put your legs that way. Look that way. Look that way. Put your feet right there so I can see. I'm gonna be right back, okay? I'm gonna watch that video with you. Don't worry about anything, okay? I'll be right back. BRB.
Let's get enough to where I can rank up. Okay, I'm 41,000. I can rank up now. And I still have a stack of redstone. Lapis sells for 1,000 for a stack. Holy crap.
I didn't hurt you that bad, did I? Daddy, stop crying. Well, here's me, I think. He's alright, but, so, yeah. I feel bad for the fella. Please hit the like and subscribe button below, and see ya. Bye-bye. Boop.